Alright, here's an update on the rust in the gas tank from the 1990 ZX7 Ninja. Alright, we're going to take our homemade cap off here. We do this so we can turn it upside down and it doesn't leak. It does build pressure in there, so sometimes it'll come out the overflow when you pull this lid off. It's hard to tell right now, but that's what it looks like. We're going to pull out all the liquid. Alright, don't make fun of me, but this is the fastest way to do it. It's a shop vac that sucks up liquid. Make sure you get all the liquid out. We're going to throw some oil and gasoline in here so it doesn't flash rust. I've done this several times and it always works out. Let's see how this time goes. All right, looks really good. We're gonna put some oil in here. Oh, that's nice, I made a mess. And we're gonna switch it around where you're actually gonna use the gasoline to rinse the oil out. So I'll probably put a half a quart of oil in there, and then I've turned it around and around to get it coated. We're going to use this camera to look inside the tank. It has a little light on the end with the camera, and let's see how it looks. All right, here we go. Got two cameras here to hold, so apologize. I'm not editing this. Perfect, no rust. Can you see that? You're going to see some oil. Right there's the oil. You see there's no rust. See how good it looks? We turned it upside down. There's the oil. We're going to either vacuum the oil out. I think it's a success. This tank is saved. This tank sat for over 10 years in a garage. There's not any rust left in it. Can you see that? Let me see if I can get a camera down it too. I'm sorry, the other camera with the flashlight. Hold on. So another factor is after we pull all the oil out of it, you don't want any air to get to it. So we're going to seal it back up. That's the oil. You can see there's no rust anymore. Just want you to know, when this tank started out, there has not been a worse fuel tank. It was trashed. So it looks really good. I hope you enjoyed our video. I'll try to put a link in the description below of the product we bought. It took me a couple of days to let this soak. If I wanted to, I could probably do it again, but I don't see any rust. There's no need to. Please subscribe. Appreciate your support. All right, bye.